Some useful ways to save money on heating and air conditioning repair during extreme climatic conditions. It is understood the pain people have to go through when their heating and air conditioning unit breaks down. These appliances are like blessings in disguise, especially for people who stay in cities with extreme climates like Leesburg and Herndon. It is one of the best ways to keep the temperature under control inside a room or the entire house, so that people remain healthy and do not fall sick easily. Just like any other mechanical appliance, heating and air conditioning units are also liable to face mechanical faults which may hinder its natural ability to work. In most cases, it is seen that people, who do not have the slightest idea of how to repair such appliances, start fixing the problem. This in turn may enhance the actual problem, thus increasing the cost of its repair. Thus, it is always recommended to service these conveniences at least once a year, and during times of serious issues always let a professional do the repair work. Here are some common problems with heating and air conditioning units. Installation problems. It is noticed in numerous U.S. cities like Reston and Leesburg that most of the problems are associated with basic installation of these units. People tend to overlook the basic guidelines mentioned on the manuals of these electronic devices, as a result of which, improper installation takes place. It is normally recommended to read the manuals properly before going ahead with the installation part. Dust-related problems. In order to ensure that the unit works for a long time, it is important that you clean the appliance regularly. Heating and air conditioning units are composed of a number of mechanical parts like compressors and fins. These parts need to be cleaned regularly to help them work with utmost efficiency. If these parts are not maintained properly, then the device may give problems like ineffective cooling in spite of being on full power. If you are looking for high-quality heating and air conditioning, Leesburg and Chantilly are some of the cities in U.S. where you can buy good quality heating and cooling appliances from Service Specialties Incorporated. Together with dealing in such products, they also offer services on any model and make of heating and air conditioning appliances. In order to access further information about their services, check out their official website http://www.schvatz.com, where you would also get information about their working hours. Heating Leesburg. Service Specialties Incorporated offers services on all makes and models of air conditioning and heating equipment as well as accessories. Visit schvatz.com for more information. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/alice_shown/271244